Gentlemen, we got the master of them all, master mechanic. Hey Ronnie, what did we drive 2 hours to do?
Lift kit, spacers, oil change.
Full service, air filter. We already got the rear lift on. Got a wheel spacer back here. Perfect lift. Perfect lift kit. Perfect wheel spacers. He's getting ready to do the wheel spacers back there. Doing an air filter, oil change, diff change. We already got the R.N.G. Performance clutch kit installed. Stay tuned because we're going to get feedback from the owner once his machine is done and redneckified, and going to get his feedback. But nonetheless, we got Ronnie. You guys have been saying Ronnie's ass was fired, and because you haven't seen him in a bit. Well, he's back, aren't you, Ronnie?
Yep.
He came with me. We drove 2 hours out here. How many YouTubers do you know that'll drive 2 hours to work on fans side by side? UForce 1000. Yeah, baby. Well, it's all done, Ronnie. We're gonna let him take it for a ride and see what he thinks. Is the R.N.G. clutch kit worth it? We're gonna find out. He bought this kit. I didn't give it to him for a review. He's gonna give us an honest review. He fully paid for it. Look at that, no more jerkiness. Look at that, smooth throttle control. Wouldn't you say that's smooth throttle control? Everybody says you gotta get used to it. No, you just gotta get the right clutch kit. It's better, isn't it? Looks good, don't it, Ronnie?
Yeah.
So while he's driving that, subscribe to this YouTube channel and get with me to get your clutch kit or whatever you want. If you're local, bring it to me. Me and Ronnie will fix it right up.
Right.
Let's hear what he has to say, ladies and gentlemen. And listen, we have clutch kits for UForce 1000, UForce 800, UForce 600, CForce 400, 500, 600, 800, 1000. We have clutch kits for the wet clutch and the trail block clutch on the Z-Force 800, the Z-Force 800 Trail, Z-Force 500. We have clutch kits for all of your CFMOTO. What do you think?
Yeah, I love it. I tell you what, it's like a new machine, and I want to say it's probably the #1 thing you could do to it to make it run so smooth and take off so nice. And I love it. Excellent, excellent job.
Yeah, it's.
And I tell you, it's feels like a different machine. It's really nice.
Did you feel that power difference?
Yes, yes, it really feels good. And my wife could be able to drive it now. That's the thing. She'd be able to drive it now.
That's one thing you wouldn't believe. I get a lot of people that say my wife or my daughter or my son, they can't drive it. I got people that have younger kids, which younger kids aren't supposed to be driving these, but I'm not the law, so I don't care. Yeah. But I have people that say they got 12 and 14-year-olds that help them, and they have a real hard time with that. And I think with the clutch kit, as smooth as it is, that 14-year-old, 15-year-old, 12-year-old, 10-year-old, whatever you got driving it, will be able to control it much better.
Yeah,
just make sure they're wearing their seatbelt.
That is the #1 upgrade you could do. I'm telling you.
And you only got the primary kit. You didn't get the Helix.
Yeah, man, that's hard to believe.
Yeah,
that's hard to believe.
So you don't have to purchase the full kit to get that smoothness.
But I really do want to thank you,
Yep.
man. You did a great job. Thank you, thank you.
I appreciate you letting us come out here and do
that for
you.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Yep. All right, guys. Peace out and God bless. We'll see you in the next one.